oh, no, to wear it now. So it's well, that means you turn on I'm allowed. Anyone to know.
The next station is Alton.
I should have the stretch.
Shortly be arriving at Alton. We will shortly be arriving at Kedma.
They do deep
Thank you.
station is Blackheath.
Because when I went to Thailand, my friend didn't tell me what I was getting myself in for, and I said I was going for a massage. And I was in so much pain the next day, you can't believe, because they also like do a bit of like your back exercise and stuff. It's a bit of time, she can pull me back. There's everything pulling me around, and like, by the end of it I was so tense because I was just like, I didn't know what was going on, because I wasn't expecting it.
We will shortly be arriving at Blackheath. Please check that you have all of your personal belongings with you when leaving the train, and keep them with you at all times whilst on the station. If you see anything suspicious, please report it to a member of staff or the police.
I might have to get over my fear of giggling. And it doesn't always happen, but if you get a nerve, there's two nerves. Like that, just let it go. One I can't. I might have to start on
Next station is Lewisham. But that's what they do in Thailand, don't We will shortly be arriving at Lewisham. Check here for please check that you have all of your personal belongings with you when leaving the train, and keep them with you at all times whilst on the station. If you see anything suspicious, please report it to a member of staff or the police.
see the spider in the room, you know it's there. No freedom to see what I mean? It's sort of green. Green. Yes. You need that out.
The next station is London Bridge.
want, like, if you don't want to stay, you just look for the right one.
Well, this is like, with the fact you've got his whole face down. It's going to be hot. That's nice. Actually.
We will shortly be arriving at London Bridge. Please check when leaving the train. Keep them with you at all times at the station.
No, I'm going to be here in the train box. Because I might be here, because otherwise it's going to take ages to get to where they are. So we can always go in there. It's a fair way right here. So. You go as well, I hope. Yeah, when I give Alex some insight.
I've never been.
I'm glad you're up, especially.
I've got my email. So why didn't you bring a bigger plate in?
The next station is Waterloo East.
Mum, can you say something like?
Honestly, I'll just get a burger. Yeah, we can give them. Yeah, I'll just get some chips. As long as I look something, because I literally have a bit of bread. So I got some mums, and I was like, oh my god, mum, I'm going to switch it up. She was like, oh, I do something. I was like, no, mum, I literally have here, I've got a bit of bread. This is I'll take it up when we get back to the yes, absolutely. No, I thought that was 25.
We'll get there about that's 7.5. Can't see anything.
Waterloo East. Please check that you have all of your personal belongings with you when leaving the train. Keep them with you at all times whilst on the station. If you see anything suspicious, please report it to a member of staff or the police.
Yeah, I can't write this one. Give a shoot, tell her what to wear, and she have a take it. She's alright, yeah, it's fine. She like it's college friend or something.
train terminates here. All change. Please ensure that you take all your personal belongings with you when leaving the train.
No, that's not right. Yeah, it was just only like a... No, because the thing is, had we given to like... Crystal Palace, we would have welcome free to them. No, it's just a tax and the thing is, it depends on if the bus goes down. If the bus goes down, it stops where it's like. Because then you're taking it all. You know where the little is at the top? Just from there. Yeah. So I hope it's right now what it was.
She does say it bad. I'll be fine. Fine.
This train terminates here. All change. Please ensure that you take all your personal belongings with you when leaving the train. We will shortly be arriving at London Charing Cross. Please check that you have all of your personal belongings with you when leaving the train, and keep them with you at all times whilst on the station. If you see anything suspicious, please report it to a member of staff or the police.